Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step way to achieve a natural yet dimensional eye makeup look. I will cover how to apply eyeshadow, draw eyeliner, and apply mascara. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how to apply eyeshadow. Instead of investing in a low-quality set of 12 brushes for $20, I would recommend investing in just 3 essential brushes for the same price. These are the brushes that I would consider to be essential. A fluffy brush for blending and diffusing eyeshadow, or applying a base eyeshadow to your entire lid with dimness finish. A medium-sized brush for adding depth to your crease. A small, flat, thin brush to create fake eyeliner, or adding depth along your lower lash line. For a natural everyday makeup look for an eyeshadow palette with matte finish and neutral tones. The CLIO Pro Eye Palette in the shade 11 has a versatile range of shades featuring both warm and cool neutral tones. If you're new to makeup, you may not yet be skilled with controlling your pressure when using brushes. In such cases, it is great to choose a product with more natural color payoff or lighter pigmentation. This palette has colors that are not too intense compared to many Western eyeshadow palettes. This quality makes it particularly beginner-friendly as it allows for easier application and blending. To create a simple yet sophisticated eye makeup look, we'll be using 3 shades of eyeshadow and 3 specific brushes. For the look, we need 3 shades: light, medium, and dark brown shades. First of all, let's apply a light shade with a fluffy, tapered brush. This step is essential for creating a natural shade for your lids, so it is important to blend seamlessly. To do this, you have to be careful and gentle. If you compare the pressing motion versus gentle swiping motion with the eyeshadow, you can see which one looks more blended, and we are going to do a gentle motion. Take a brush onto the eyeshadow and blend it to coat the brush with the eyeshadow. After that, gently blend it onto the cover of the eyeshadow palette or somewhere clean to make sure that product goes into every bristles of the brush evenly. After that, tap the brush gently to diffuse excess product on the surface of the brush, and then gently apply the eyeshadow on your lids. This way allows you to get the most natural and sophisticated look while deepening your eyes. Next, let's apply a mid-tone brown eyeshadow. If you want to deepen your look, this step is essential. Medium eyeshadow acts like a bridge between the light eyeshadow and the eyeliner. Rather than creating an abrupt end, we are creating a diffuse line between the two. Take a mid-tone brown eyeshadow using a medium-sized brush. Do the same as I did with the lighter eyeshadow previously, and then place the brush close to your lash lines. Now let's apply the dark eyeshadow. This is the step for creating a fake eyeliner or diffusing the eyeliner you already applied for a softer look. The first step is choosing the flat, small eyeshadow brush and then take it onto the dark eyeshadow. Following your natural eye shape, you can see where the end of your eyes is. From that point, you are drawing the lines until you feel like you've done enough. Instead of drawing one continuous line, I like drawing short lines over and over to just gauge where I want to stop the drawing. This way, you could easily remove the mistake and try again. If you want to create a more dimensional eye makeup look, you can apply an eyeshadow onto the outer part of your lower lash lines. There's no doubt that pencil eyeliner is the best for easy application. It is not only easy to fix or remove if you make any mistake, but also gives you the most natural look. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use this CLIO Sharp So Simple waterproof pencil liner. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I feature this product a lot. If you are not skilled with makeup, choosing the eyeliner with the smooth texture is great because of its affiliate application, and this eyeliner does the job too. First, to draw eyeliner, we have to gauge where we want to draw and how we want to draw. For a more elevated and finished look, rather than drawing the line above the lash lines, draw the line as close to your lash line as possible. Choose the starting point, which is the end of your eyes, and then gradually extend the lines. This eyeliner glides seamlessly along the delicate skin around my eyes as well. If the end of the eyeliner is round or not sharp enough, it will look unfinished, so try to make it sharper with a Q-tip or small brush. For mascara, we all want to avoid the spike powdery and clumpy lash look. For mascara, I'm going to use the CLIO Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara in long curling. I also featured this many times on my channel before. When you apply the mascara, try to wiggle a bit to make sure to coat all parts of your lashes. This small wand allows you to apply product to every lash without missing any, especially when you apply the short lashes. There's another version of this mascara called Extreme Volume. It is good for creating a natural volumized lash appearance, so you can choose either for your preference. CLIO products I featured in today's makeup look are available for fall Prime Day on Amazon. So this is the final look after doing each step of eye makeup. Hope you guys find it very helpful as well. Although I explained how to do eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to do it all. You can skip any of these for your preference and it will look still beautiful. Please let me know if there's any how-to types of video you want me to create in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!